in our calendar year. I'm very happy to share the financial results and the performance of the company in the second quarter of 2015. I'll start with an update on Eicher Motors Limited's consolidated results, financial performance of Q2. We posted once again our highest ever net income of rupees 2,917 crores, which is a 30% growth over the Q2 of last year of 2245 crores. And we posted an EBIT of 352 crores, that's for the consolidated Eicher Motors Limited, which is an increase of 54% over Q2, and an EBIT margin of 12.1%, which is also the best of any quarter in our consolidated performance. This is once again, it reinforces the extreme strong business and resilience of both the VECV business, which is our joint venture with Volvo, and of course Royal Enfield, our motorcycle business. Moving on to the standalone financial performance in Q2, the standalone which relates entirely to the Royal Enfield business, it's once again been the best ever quarter for Eicher Motors standalone. We've had a quarterly income of over 1,000 crores, so that's 1,097 crores, which is an increase of 47% over the 746 crores in the Q2 of 2014. This quarter we posted a best ever EBIT also of 267 crores, which is a 53% improvement over Q2 of 2014, where we posted 175 crores. And it translates into our best ever EBIT margin of 24.1%. And that's a result of Royal Enfield growing very rapidly over the last few months. On a business update, as I said, quarter two was the best ever for Royal Enfield in our history. We crossed 1 lakh sales in the quarter, so that's 106,613 motorcycles, which is 44% higher than the 74,000+ that we sold in the same quarter last year. Our order book remains very strong. Our key projects of product development and of product development infrastructure in both in Chennai and in the UK, they are progressing as per plan, and we're also expanding our footprint in India in form of retail stores and outlets. So we're on track to to growing our 400 stores to around 500 by the end of this year. We're doing the new retail identity in all of the stores. So all the projects that we planned in Royal Enfield are all very much on track. In May this year, we opened a wonderful flagship store in Khan Market in New Delhi for our gear. So that's our apparel and accessories. That's gone off very well. We've opened our online store, which is also doing very well for our apparel and accessories. So our new business of gear, which is apparel and accessories, is also progressing very strongly. We also had a extremely good outcome for a limited edition dispatch rider motorcycles, where we had put 200 of them online for sale in India recently, earlier this month, and we had the entire inventory was sold out within 26 minutes of the opening of the booking. So it was a very good outcome. We've also been expanding overseas. So after our first 2 stores in Colombia, we've opened now an exclusive store in Dubai, which is a very important market for the Middle East, and that's going very well. On the US front, we've got now a full team in the US of 7 or 8 people who are now who are taking over the entire distribution in the US market. And in addition to that, we've also been adding stores in all of Europe, in Australia, and like I said, in Colombia and US as well. So there's a lot new stores and market development happening in international markets, the results of which should of course come in at a later point when the sales pick up in these markets. In May of 2015, we'd also Royal Enfield had also acquired the assets, employees and IP of the Harris Performance brand in the UK. Harris Performance has deep expertise in chassis development. We've been working them for 5 years on
Siddhartha Lal from Aisha Motors, those numbers look good. The stock is marginally lower today. However, at the operating level, the numbers have done exceedingly well. Meanwhile, let's focus now and talk about MAT, the minimum alternate tax battle refuses to die down. 4 foreign investor groups constituting over 200 investment managers have moved Supreme Court against the MAT levy. My colleague Ashpreet Sethi is standing by with more details on this one. Ashpreet.